Public and private healthcare services. Health services are broadly divided into two categories: public healthcare services and private healthcare services. People having low income go to the public or government hospitals and dispensaries, whereas those people with better means visit private hospitals and nursing homes where they get good facilities. In fact, we can say a majority of people in India cannot really afford the high expenses of private nursing homes and health clinics. Let us understand with the example of Hakim Sheikh, who was a member of Mazdoor Samiti. It is an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. One day in the year 1992, he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered massive injuries. He was rushed to a government hospital in Kolkata but was refused admission and treatment because of non-availability of a bed. The next hospital did not have specialized doctor to treat him, so they also did not admit him. From one government hospital to another, he went to search of one that would admit him. After 12 hours, finally, of running around, he could get medical treatment in a private hospital. This private hospital charged him heavily for his treatment. Hakim Sheikh was so upset and angry that he led a case in the court. He was right in his action. We all know it is our basic right to get proper and timely treatment at government hospitals. It is the government responsibility to safeguard the right to life of every individual. Therefore, in the case of Hakim Sheikh, the court directed the state government to reimburse the amount of money Hakim Sheikh spent on his treatment at the private hospital. So, in this story or in this case study, we understand that how is the difference between government hospitals and or public hospital and private hospitals. We also understand that the right to get proper and timely treatment at government hospitals is our right. Okay. Now, in next video, I will explain another story or a case study which is useful to understand the differences between public and private healthcare services. Okay, thank you.